Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to export text and captions from YouTube so that way you can use the text to create like blog posts or write content for it. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm on my YouTube channel here, and let's say I've got this tutorial that I did, get better sound using a compact shotgun mic. And I want to take everything I said here and turn it into a blog post. That way I'm kind of reusing content, which is handy. So I've got the video uploaded. I'm going to go into my edit video. And from the video editing screen, now let's say you did something where you don't necessarily want the video to be live, so you recorded yourself speaking, but you just want that text without having to retype it. You can do that as well. Just upload it, and then when you save it, don't make it public. Okay, so now that I'm in the video, I want to go to More Options. And we've got this option here, which is subtitles. So mine's already set to automatically add subtitles to this. So I've got this English by YouTube Automatic, which automatically did it. If you don't have that, there will be an option here similar to this Upload Subtitles CC to create subtitles. So just click on that if you see it. Since I've already got my subtitles created, I can just go into edit this one. And you get with this option of edit on Classic Studio, which will probably be changed to something else at some point in time. Now you can see already we've got the text underneath me, so if I play it for a second.
Milo with D Studios Media here, and today I'm going to give you...
So we've got the text, but it actually starts out with my love instead of my name, and it doesn't have the name D Studios Media. So you can edit this if it needs to. Just hit the edit option. All right, I'm not going to edit the rest of it because I'm just doing this for the purpose of showing you the example. But what you would normally do is you would play through the whole thing and fix the text. So it's going to be much, much quicker than if you have to manually type it out yourself. And I will say, compared to other free transcription services, this works pretty well. There are paid transcription services that do it perfectly because you're paying for it. But for free ones, I'd say this is the way to go. At least that's been on my experience. Feel free to leave a comment if you've used one that you think works really well. Okay, so I've made my changes. I'm going to go publish edits. Now it's going to take you back to this screen. That's fine. So now I've got two options, those automatic ones that it created initially, and then the new one that I just did. So we want the new one. And we've got the correct text. Now I can just select it and then download it in my various formats, such as SRT or original format. So I'll show you a couple of the difference. There's not a huge difference between SRT, VTT, and SPT. Now I'm down in my downloads folder. So we've got those file types. I'm just going to right click and I'm going to edit them in with Notepad. And you can kind of see we've got the timestamp and the text. And that's what it's going to give you on all of these. So I'm going to go to the SRT one just to show you as well. And you can see it's almost exactly the same. Now what I can do is I can take this, put it into Word, paste it into Word, and now start cleaning it up. So you can kind of decide if you feel this is quicker and easier than typing out just from scratch or not, because you do have to do a lot of cleanup on it. But, you know, I figure it's kind of a good way to get started on creating a blog post so you don't have to completely type everything. And of course, obviously, if you want to use the SRT or file for something else. As always, I hope you found that useful, and have a good day.